Hey everybody, it's Carrie here at Arsenal Harley-Davidson. Happy New Year! It is 2022 and guess what I have behind me? I have some 2022 models that just arrived. I will get to these in just one second, but yes, these are 2022 models, but the big reveal, the worldwide premiere is on January 26th. Make sure you visit our website and sign up for updates because there is some cool stuff that's coming. I can't tell you what, but the pipeline is that it's going to be amazing. The word on the street is that this is probably going to be one of the best model year launches that the factory has seen in a very long time. So get ready to have your helmets blown off because it is going to be a rocking year this year and going forward. So Travis, should we see some of the new bikes that we have?
Let's check them out.
All right, so starting right behind me, these are the new colors. This is a gunship gray. Now, for all those who have been in a Harley world before, you might have seen this once or twice. Maybe on a CVO a few years ago, just saying. Street Glide Special 114 in gunship gray. Now we have a Sportster 48. This is called White Sand Pearl. Now, for those who love the Moroccan gold pearl, right? You can see if we can get some light in here. Ugh, I would put this outside, but we have snow on the ground. It's not quite white sand pearl, not quite, oh wait, no, it is white sand pearl. Not quite Bonneville salt, not quite Moroccan gold, but it is very, very pretty. Can you get in here, Travis, and see if you can't catch some flake? Ooh, yes, very, very pretty. Next, we got a Roking Special in Vivid Black. We all know what color that is. But for all my blue fans that have been missing out on blue bikes for the last couple of years, here we go. A Road Glide in, what's it called?
Reef Blue.
It is very, very pretty. Not quite superior, but it is fantastic. I feel like it's a little bit darker. What do you think, Trav?
A little bit darker.
A little bit darker. It's very, very pretty. Next, we have Redline Red. It is a Street Glide Special and it's blacked out. And this bike is freaking hot as all get out. It's like Fire Engine Red. I absolutely love it. I've heard that people that have seen this bike already want it. Right, Chance? Want it? Yeah. All right, so these are gonna hit our floor today. Stay tuned, there's gonna be more coming up in the next couple of weeks, and be sure to tune in for the worldwide premiere on January 26th. We'll see you soon.